Hello, my name is Jeffrey Peak, and I have an audition for Into the Woods at CSU Theater Department on September 3rd. So I prepared this brief piece, which needs to be in bass or baritone, for the audition process. I hope you enjoy it. Ah, boom, 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 boom. Ah, boom, 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 boom. I wanna go outside in the rain, baby. It may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside in the rain, baby. 'Cause I don't want you to see me cry. 'Cause I don't want you to see me cry. I wanna go outside, I wanna go outside, I wanna go outside in the rain, baby. Defense Doc is hip-hop. For some it takes skill to write it. Words ignited through impulse of light or spite or whatever the MC chose to recite. All wrapped up in one battle, one conflict, rapper versus rapper, or rapper telling the story of rapping about rims in one vain glory. Who was the actual best rapper in his story? Is it Tupac, B.I.G., or the unmentioned? All of us want to come up, ascension like Elijah in the Bible or some mountain climbers. The MCs want to show that they're slick rhymers, wordsmiths and writers. Hip-hop is about keeping it real, no supposed fantasy igniters. I wish I could escape into a dream world, one where I can chill with a bunch of mythical nymphos on the planet with green grass and don't grant it, and just relax and smoke hookah and make love, and make love, and make love, and make love. 'Cause I don't want you to see me cry. I wanna go outside, I wanna go outside, I wanna go outside in the rain.